Hi everybody, I'm now at the Rainbow Mountains near Cusco in Peru. Today is the 27th of May 2022. In the main screen I'm going to show you footage from Rainbow Mountains and the hike up here. In the bottom screen, in the bottom left hand corner, I'm going to show you the trip from Cusco to here. Okay, so let me just tell you my story. So yesterday I took the plane from Cusco to from Lima to Cusco. And I met a Colombian couple on the plane, so they speak Spanish. When we arrived at the airport, because they speak Spanish, they managed to get a taxi to Cusco for only 20 soles. So, I mean, we paid just 10 soles each. And then on the taxi, the taxi driver asked me if I want to come to Rainbow Mountains. He said $40 and I said no, 38. He agreed, but 38 is still quite expensive, I think. So this morning I woke up at 4 o'clock. I went to San Pedro Church to board the bus. The bus went around the town to collect a few more travelers. We set off roughly around about 5, and we arrived at the base of the mountain at 9. We had breakfast at 8. Yeah, all in all, it takes about 3 hours to get here. So Cusco is 3,000, has an altitude of 3,300 meters. At the base of the mountain here, it's 4,600, and at the top here, at the top of the mountain here, it's 5,000 meters. And if you arrive, well, you will. If you arrive by bus here, by the bus stop, if you want to ride on the horse to get to here, then it's 60 soles. But if you get the horse halfway, you probably pay 30 soles, or maybe even less. You know, the further up you go, yeah, it'll cost less.